Greetings, everybody. I hope you're all doing well today. Today, we are going to discuss the 16th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution that was ratified in 1913, which created the IRS and the income tax. The reason why I'm doing this is because the fact is that while many of you know I'm a libertarian conservative, the conservatives in the House have stated that they are going to bring in a flat tax and abolish, allegedly, the income tax and the IRS, allegedly, I guess. But problem is that those two entities were created under the 16th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution. And a matter of fact, around 1913, when the U.S. Federal Reserve, which is a private corporation and is as federal as FedEx is. So what this did was, and it was ratified in 1913, gives the federal government the power to impose, collect income tax. This amendment is a crucial part of the U.S. tax system. And I also believe that taxation is theft and has been used to fund various government programs and the whole world too. Initiatives throughout the world and years and everywhere else, is all we know. Before the 16th Amendment, the federal constitution relied on tariffs and exercises taxes to generate revenue. So basically any commerce between the states, anything else that would be productive or produced or created within the U.S. and stuff like that within its respected states, basically. However, the government's ability to generate significant revenue was limited and often fell short of the country's needs. In response to this, Congress proposed the 16th Amendment, which allowed for an income tax to be levied on individuals and the creation of the IRS. The amendment reads, "The Congress shall have power to lay and collect taxes on incomes from whatever source derived without apportionment among the several states and without regard to any census or enumeration." This amendment gives the federal government broad authority to tax the income of individuals and corporations regardless of the source of income of or of the state in which the individual or corporation resides. The passage of the 16th Amendment paved the way for the creation of the Internal Revenue Service, the IRS, the federal agency responsible for enforcing the tax laws and collecting taxes owed to the government. The IRS is responsible for ensuring that individuals and corporations pay correct amount of taxes and that the tax laws are followed. The agency also provides guidance to taxpayers on tax laws and procedures. Again, I'm not a big fan of the IRS. I've been audited in the past and stuff because I used to make a lot of money. The income tax system established by the 16th Amendment is progressive, allegedly, meaning that the tax increases as the amount of income increases. The system is based on principles that those who have a higher income should pay a large portion of their income tax in taxes. We all know that's BS. The progressive tax system is designed to be fair and ensure that the tax burden is distributed fairly among taxpayers. Please tell me where that is. Yeah. The 16th Amendment has been controversial since its passage. Some argue that the amendment and the income tax system is established are unconstitutional and violate the principles of federalism. And if you know what federalism is, it's in my last video when we were talking about repealing the 17th Amendment, which establishes a more federalist system, because when the 17th Amendment was introduced, it further eroded at federalism within that, because we are a federal republic. We are not a democratic, we're not a democracy. You know what I'm saying? We're a federalist, federal republic system. Others argue that the income tax is necessary to fund important government programs and initiatives such as Social Security and national defense. Now, I don't have a problem with Social Security and stuff like that, because it's a safety net and all that. What I have a problem with is how our politicians use Social Security as their own little piggy bank and all that. And then they have to raise the minimum wage, not minimum wage, but the issue of age further and further and further, because I'm 48. I will have to probably retire at 70, maybe, instead of 65 like my old man did, and like many of your parents probably did. But we all know that that's BS though, and stuff. So we know that a lot of things go towards a lot of things. So despite the controversy, the 16th Amendment remains a critical part of the U.S. tax system. The amendment has been used to generate significant revenue for the federal government, which has been used to fund various programs and initiatives. The income tax system established by the amendment has also helped to reduce income inequality by requiring those with higher incomes to pay larger portions of their incomes in taxes. We all know that is bullshit. So, and in conclusion, the 16th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution, which gives the federal government the power to impose and collect income tax, is a critical part of the U.S. tax system. The amendment paved the way for the creation of the IRS and the income tax system, which has been used to generate significant revenue for the federal government and reduce income inequality. Again, bullshit. Despite the controversy surrounding the amendment, it remains an essential part of the U.S. tax system. Again, taxation is theft, and continues to play a crucial role in funding important government programs, giving it away to the world, and paying for other shit that we all don't approve of. So we're going to wrap this up. Let me know what you think about this. Is this something you'd like to hear more about? Let me know. We're coming up on 7 minutes. All right, take care, everybody. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. Did you know about this? Were you aware of it? Were you not aware of it? What are your thoughts? Should we go to a flat tax like Europe has? But does that mean do we get rid of the IRS and we get rid of the income tax? Because if they don't get rid of the income tax, we will be taxed twice. We'll be taxed on our income and a flat tax on everything that we purchase. Because a flat tax will be on anything you consume. So anything you purchase at the store, you'll be taxed. Everything you do, which we already do now. But the thing is, and the difference would be, is that the place or the business would be paying all the taxes. We would never have to pay taxes. We just pay it through our consumption, which makes a lot of sense. But the problem is I have with that is that they want it at 30%, which I think it should be at 10 or 15%. No more, no less, and stuff like that. So, but I'm going to wrap it up here. You take care, everybody. Peace out. Bye, brothers, sisters. Take care, everybody. Bye.